Hey, this is Vipul Kumar. My mom says not to keep my phone next to me while I'm sleeping. On this occasion of Engineers Day 2020, I have built a smart table that can keep my phone at a distance while I'm sleeping, and it will bring it back to me automatically when I need it. So let's have a look how it works. Hello.
Vipul, don't keep your phone next to you while sleeping, okay?
Okay, mom. Wow, so it's been 24 hours in Ranchi, and I met Nihal after around 6 to 7 months, and we are back in college mode. We are making something. So the best thing is Nihal is featuring this time on this video, and he is helping, and we are trying to create something as we used to do in college. And this time we are more resourceful. So Nihal has its own workshop. We'll be showing how we are making it in his workshop. So stay tuned.